Hey, so if the background is not removing properly in Clipdrop, yeah, like edges look messy, parts are missing, or the subject isn't detected correctly, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure your image is clear and not blurry. I mean, low-quality images make background detection harder. Next, yeah, good lighting helps the AI detect edges properly. I mean, dark or shadowy images often get bad results. Now, try images with simple backgrounds. I mean, busy or complex backgrounds can confuse the AI. Yeah, sometimes the first processing attempt fails. Re-uploading can fix detection issues. Now, use JPG or PNG formats. I mean, unsupported formats can affect processing quality. Yeah, very large images can process poorly. Compressing your image can improve accuracy. Now, refresh, clip drop, or restart the tool. I mean, temporary glitches can affect background removal. Yeah, browser issues can affect AI results. Try Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If nothing works, the issue might be on ClipDrop's side. I mean, server overload can reduce processing quality. So, yeah, that's how you fix ClipDrop not removing background properly. Most of the time, it's image quality, lighting, or file size. Try these steps and you should get a cleaner result. Thanks for watching.